Ever tried finding a truly free AI tool that turns images into videos, and felt completely let down? In this video I am breaking down the entire process step by step and giving it to you for free. A lot of tutorials are just clickbait, pushing tools that claim to be free. Some ask for payment up front, while others lure you in with a handful of free credits before locking everything behind a paywall. And the rare ones that let you export with huge watermarks or bad video quality, it's basically useless. I'll show you the key to do this 100% free, no payment needed, no credits. So first thing is to create some simple images of your scenes, using ChatGPT, like for example an apple, a lemon and a strawberry. Then download those images into your PC, and go to Discord using the link below in the description. After that, when this page appears, click on Video Arena 1, next write a slash and choose Image to Video, then upload your images right here one by one and write your prompt, that's it. You just wait under 10 minutes and your video will be ready to download 100% free. So there is our apple, our lemon, and lastly our strawberry. But remember, there is a logo at the end of the scene, remove it with some small editing.